Good morning, students. Now, today I am going to take a revision on lesson real number. So, again, I am taking one example of every concept, so you have to concentrate on it. Now, student, see the first example that express the recurring decimal 0.777 in the p by q form. Now, students, we have to convert this recurring by what is mean by recurring? Recurring mean that the after decimal if any digit is in repeating order. So here digit 7 is a recurring type. Okay, how to write it? You can write here it is equal to 0. 0. Can write here 0. 7 dot. Okay, it means that this 7 number is in a recurring type. Now we have to convert in the form of p by q. Decimal into p by q form means a fraction form. Very simple. Now after decimal only one digit is recurring type. If it is only one digit is recurring type, then we have to take x is equal to whatever number 0.7. Then we have to take x is equal to 0.7. Then we have to multiply it by 10. Why 10? Because after decimal there is only one digit is a recurring type. And therefore after multiplying this equation by 10, you will get 10x is equal to 7.7. Now you have equation x is 0.777 and another equation is 10x 0 is equal to 7.7. Now you have to subtract the equation x equation from this. You have to, or if you are taking a number, this is equation first and this is first and second. So you have to subtract the equation first from second. You will get 10x minus x is equal to 7.7 minus 0.7. Therefore 9x is equal to 7. Therefore x is equal to 7 by 9. So 7 by 9 is the p by q form of recurring decimal. Very simple. So these steps are important. Now, write the following rational number in decimal form. Now, if it is a rational number, means in the p by q form, how to convert in the decimal? Simply by the division. Simply by division. See here. What is the question? 5 by 7. Now, 7 is a divisor and 5 is a divisor. So, 7 after simple division you have to do. To 5 we can't multiply, so as it is 0, here again take 1 0. Now 50 point decimal, because first digit we can't be a divide by 7. So similar way after calculation what you will get, again you got the 5. Okay, again you got the 5. If you are observing this 5, this 5 and this 5. Okay, so again 5 means again which number will come? Same means 714285. 714285. So this whole number is after decimal, this whole digits are a recurring type. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 means 6 digit number is after 6 digit number, again same pair is coming, and therefore 5 by 7 is equal to, if it is minus, okay, if it is a minus, I think it is a minus. If it is minus 5 by 7, then it is equal to minus 0.714285. Now, let x is equal to 0.37. Now, if you are observing this 37 is in a recurring type. Means after decimal, 2 digits are recurring type. If after decimal, 2 digits are recurring type, then we have to multiply it by 100. So, first what is given? X is equal to 0.37. So, it is a recurring type. You can write in this way also. Okay. Take pen. You can write in this way also. Okay. Now, 100x, after multiplying the 100, you will get 100x is equal to 37.37. This 37 is recurring type. Now, subtracting the equation first from second, what you will get? 100x minus x is equal to 37.37 minus of 0.37. So you will get 99x is equal to 37 and x is equal to 37 divided by 99. Okay, so this is your answer. Now multiplication, very simple. First, now see, two terms are there in the both expression. 3 root 2, first take a second whole bracket, minus root 3, take second, means first term second whole bracket, minus second term multiply by second whole bracket. Now after multiplication, 3 4s are 12 and 2 root 3 is a 6. Okay, 3 4s are 12 and 2 into 3, 6, 12 root 6. Now here 4. Now this multiplication, you can skip this step also, no problem. 3 root 2 into root 2. So you will get 3 into 2, that is 6. Okay, and then root 3 into root 3, 3. 4 3s are 12. So next is 12. And then minus into minus plus 6 plus root 6. Now calculate it. Minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18. Here come 12 plus 1 because they are the like surd. So you can add it. So 13 plus 13 root 6 minus of 18. So what is the answer? We can't be simplify it later on. So that's why we have to stop here. That is 13 root 6 minus of 18 is the answer. So students, this step you can skip. But if you are writing this step, your mistake will not done. Okay. Next, rationalize the denominator. Now 3 by root 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 is equal to 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. What is, how to rationalize the denominator? By simply multiplying the conjugate pair of the denominator. So after multiplying, we have to multiply the numerator as well as denominator. That is also very important. When you are multiplying the denominator for rationalization, same number you have to multiply it by the numerator. Then only your answer will get correct. Whatever the numerator may be rationalized, may be irrational number. We don't worry about the numerator. Just a question, observe it. We have to rationalize denominator. Okay, so don't think about the numerator. Now after multiplying the conjugate pair, 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2, that is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So after multiplying, you will get 3 in bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon. After multiplying, see here, a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus of b square. So a is 2 root 5 square minus 3 root 2 square. So after that, 5 4 za, and here 2 6 9 za. So you will get 20 minus 18. So 2. So here it is a rationalize the denominator. Means very simple or important thing is that when you are doing the denominator rationalize, it is just you have to concentrate on the denominator and multiply the conjugate pair of denominator. What is mean by conjugate pair? That already I taught you. Next, now this is your homework question. Now from first lesson, whatever important concepts are there in this PPT, all I explained. First one is how to express the recurring into P by Q form. Second is how to decimal into P by Q form. Sorry, P by Q form into decimal. Then third is how to write a recurring type of a decimal into P by Q form. Then multiplication of a third, and then rationalization the denominator. Okay, so these 1 2 3 and 4, these 4 questions are for, I think this is wrong, this one don't do. Okay, this printed wrong. Okay, so this first, second and third, these 3 question you have to do. Try to do. If not getting, I will send the answer. Now listen, first is very simple. You can find out is it? Second one is also 36. So after decimal, two digits are recurring type. Third question, after decimal, but after decimal, after one number, 3232 is there. So first, what is your x? So you have to consider for this question, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0.432. Okay, and then you have to calculate. So do try to solve. Okay, thank you, students.